apply for original degree, go to JNTUH Convocation 2025. In the result, go through the first result, that is JNTUH Convocation 13. Later, you will be redirected to JNTUH 13th Convocation server, and here you can find convocation notification and the list of instructions. Later, you can go to login section, and here if you are not registered yet, you can register with your hall ticket number and mail ID. Later, you try to log in. After you logged in, you verify your profile. Later, go to online services, and here you will find the original degree. In here you can apply your original degree with the PC number, and after verification of your PC number, you need to upload your PC and one passport size photo. If you are paid 1,000 rupees in your college with the exam fee, then you will be not getting an option of paid at college. If you click this, and you will get an acknowledgement, uh, which is reference for your further information.